3882. A sailplane pilot can differentiate between a spin and a spiral dive because in a spiral dive, A. The speed remains constant. B. The G loads increase. C. There is a small loss of altitude in each rotation. The correct answer is B. A spiral dive can be distinguished from a spin by observing the rapid increase in speed and G loading. In a spiral dive, the aircraft descends in a steep, corkscrew-like path while gaining speed and experiencing higher gravitational forces. Unlike a spin, which involves a sustained and coordinated rotation around the vertical axis, a spiral dive is characterized by a more pronounced downward and forward movement without the rotational aspect. Recognizing these signs is crucial for pilots to take appropriate corrective actions and recover from the spiral dive. 3883. How are forward slips normally performed? A. With the direction of the slip away from any crosswind that exists. B. With dive brakes or spoilers fully open. C. With rudder and aileron deflection on the same side. The correct answer is B. During a forward slip maneuver, where the objective is to increase the angle of descent without gaining excessive airspeed, the dive brakes or spoilers are typically fully extended or open. By deploying the dive brakes or spoilers, the pilot increases the drag on the aircraft, which helps to counteract the forward motion and maintain a controlled descent. This allows the pilot to steepen the descent path while keeping the airspeed relatively constant. By utilizing this technique, pilots can effectively manage their descent rate without accelerating the aircraft. 3884. What would be a proper action or procedure to use if the pilot is getting too low on a cross-country flight in a sailplane? A. Continue on course until descending to 1,000 feet above the ground, and then plan the landing approach. B. Fly directly into the wind and make a straight-in approach at the end of the glide. C. Have a suitable landing area selected upon reaching 2,000 feet AGL and a specific field chosen upon reaching 1,500 feet AGL. The correct answer is C. If the pilot is getting too low on a cross-country flight in a sailplane, it is important to have a proper action plan. The recommended procedure is to have a suitable landing area selected upon reaching 2,000 feet above ground level, AGL, and choose a specific field as the designated landing area upon reaching 1,500 feet AGL. This ensures that the pilot maintains situational awareness and prepares for a safe landing if the altitude continues to decrease. Having predetermined landing options increases the pilot's safety and provides a clear plan of action in case of an emergency or insufficient altitude to continue the flight. 3351. The part of a balloon that bears the entire load is the A. Envelope material. B. Envelope seams. C. Load tapes or cords. The correct answer is C. The load tape plays a crucial role in supporting the weight of the balloon and minimizing the strain on the envelope fabric. By distributing the load evenly across the fabric, the load tape helps prevent localized stress points that could lead to fabric damage or failure. It acts as a structural reinforcement, providing additional strength and stability to the balloon envelope. With the load tape in place, the weight of the balloon is better distributed, reducing the strain on the fabric and ensuring the integrity of the envelope during flight. 3352. In hot air balloons, propane is preferred to butane or other hydrocarbons because it A. is less volatile, B. is slower to vaporize, C. has a lower boiling point. The correct answer is C. Propane is preferred over butane or other hydrocarbons in hot air balloons because it has a lower boiling point. The boiling point of a fuel determines its ability to vaporize and mix with air for combustion. Propane vaporizes more readily than butane, especially in colder temperatures typically encountered during balloon flights. This makes it easier to achieve efficient and consistent fuel combustion in the burner system of a hot air balloon.